Hello YouTube, so I have this Craftsman GT3000 Kohler 23 horse V-twin. It's having an issue for a while where the PTO on this mower would not engage and it would just act up on me. I figured out what the issue is. So I did a couple things. I bypassed the seat on this one, which I'm going to replace. It's pretty bad, but bypassed that, nothing. So I started checking around. I even replaced the ignition switch because the other one was bad on this. So I started checking around and I was getting no voltage when this thing was in the on position at the PTO. So I started looking around and I found the problem. This relay right here probably controls like some safeties or something on this thing. Was bad. So I had an extra relay out in my garage, so I just threw it in here. The one that was on here was a 30 amp. I threw a 60 on here and it works, because now if you go to do it, I'm not turning on, I'm just putting an accessory. You'll hear the click. Hear it? Means we're working. So if you have an issue where your PTO isn't engaging, because the assembly for this one is I think like 180, 200 bucks to replace it, and I'm like, it has to be something else. And so yeah, check the relay, because this machine was like bogging down. The PTO wouldn't engage. It just acted like something was on with like one of the safeties, and I just put this relay in here, just popped it on, and that took care of it. But anyway, I hope this helps someone, and thanks for watching.